In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Getresponse link on YouTube video description. This is a simple process, but it does require you to copy the correct link from your Getresponse account and then paste it into the description area of your YouTube video. Once you do it once, it becomes very quick, so let us walk through it carefully from start to finish. First, you need to go into your Getresponse account and find the landing page you want to promote. To do that, look for the menu options at the top or on the side of your dashboard. From there, go to Tools. This is where Getresponse groups features that help you create and manage marketing assets. After you click Tools, you will see another option labeled Landing Pages. Select Landing Pages next so you can access the page that you want your viewers to visit from YouTube. Next, take a moment to find your specific landing page inside the Landing Pages area. You may see multiple landing pages, especially if you have run more than one campaign. Choose the landing page that matches the offer you want to promote in your YouTube video. When you have identified the correct landing page, open it or click into it so you can access its link. This step matters because you want to make sure you are sharing the right URL with your audience. Once you open the landing page, you need to copy its URL. Look for the link address in the browser, typically at the top of your screen in the address bar. It should start with something like a website address, followed by the specific path for that landing page. Copy the URL from the address bar. If you have a copy option available on screen, you can use it, but copying from the address bar is usually straightforward. Now that you have the Getresponse link copied, you are ready to switch over to YouTube Studio. Open a new tab or window and go to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, you will manage your videos, settings, and descriptions. The goal here is to paste your Getresponse link into the description of the correct video, so it appears below the video when people watch. Inside YouTube Studio, locate the Content section. This area shows all of your uploaded videos. Click Content so you can see your list of videos. Then find and select the video where you want to add the Getresponse link. Click the video entry so you can access the editing tools for it. After selecting the correct video, go to the description field. In the editing screen, you will see a box where you can type or paste text that viewers will see under the video. This is where you will add your Getresponse URL. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the description for the same video you intended, because it is easy to paste into the wrong one when multiple videos are on screen. Now you can paste the Getresponse link into the description box. Use your clipboard to paste the URL into the text area. It is a good idea to paste it on its own line, or at least clearly separate it from any other text you might already have, so it is easy for viewers to notice and click. Finally, after the link is pasted, you need to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the editing interface and click Save. This ensures that YouTube publishes the updated description and that your link will appear for viewers. You may see a confirmation or the page may refresh briefly, which is normal, and that covers everything you need to know. Once you have saved, your Getresponse landing page link will be live in the YouTube video description, and viewers will be able to access it directly. And that is all there is to it.